The future of on-site machining is here. The new Genesis 220 from Hydratight offers unsurpassed milling and threading on a portable CNC machine. More than the sum of its parts, the Genesis 220 represents a new concept in on-site machining. The Genesis 220 offers a compact footprint and ease and speed of setup for consistent and efficient repair of large bore threads and other in-situ milling projects. Helping customers eliminate expensive disassembly costs, the Genesis delivers superb boring, large bore thread refurbishment, and consistent cutting results for a variety of on-site applications. The accuracy and efficiency provided by a single Hydratight technician and the Genesis machine for thread boring and 3D milling applications cannot be matched by any other current technologies, period. The future of on-site machining is here, and it is Hydratight's Genesis 220 portable 3D CNC mill.